Welcome to NetSuite. In this video we will cover the pricing subtab of an item record. The pricing subtab is part of the subtab section in the item record. Keep in mind not every NetSuite system uses this exact layout for the subtab, so yours may look different. We will click the pricing subtab to navigate into it now. The pricing subtab is broken into sections. The first section is the sales section. This provides general information about the items such as sales description, cost estimate, price per unit and minimum quantity. The sales description will show when this item is selected on sales transactions such as sales order, invoices or cash sales. The cost estimate type allows you to choose how the profit margin is estimated when this item is sold. The minimum quantity can be set to force a minimum quantity to be purchased when selling this item. The shipping section shows information about shipping this item. This includes weight and shipping and handling charges. The item weight can be set if it is known, as well as the shipping and handling cost. These values automatically feed into the shipping cost calculations and packages when this item is fulfilled from the warehouse. The pricing section covers details about bulk ordering of this item. This can be seen down below in the pricing table, where items are shown in a rows and columns format. The list or base price row shows what the price of the item is at the quantity. 0 to 10 would be 254.95, and when the customer orders over 10 the price decreases to 253.95. From here the prices decreases as the order size increases. Below this each row shows a discounted price level and what the price would be if the discount is applied. Price can also be shown in other currencies by clicking one of the currencies above. This concludes our video covering the pricing subtab in a customer record. Thanks for watching.